Hey, it's Colleen from Colleen's Critters. I wanted to show you our chicken coop. This is the smaller one that we have. This is where the egg box is. And you can see this side, there's a difference here between both sides because to the right is the original part of the little run, and to the left is the new run that we've had add on. I have 4 hens that are in my bigger chicken coop right now. And they're going to be put out here. This one, as soon as we get it finished up. Board has to go back out. Or inside, that's the clean out part. And I'll show you why.